Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we are officially in wedding season and I wanted to put together a video of some beautiful wedding hairstyles, makeup ideas, and of course dresses. So if you plan on getting married this year, I hope that you will find some type of inspiration within today's video. Here we have a gorgeous classic veil style, followed by a glamorous updo. Now this will be perfect for your bridesmaids, and you can of course wear a style like this yourself. If you are the bride, you can accent that with a beautiful crown. Here we have the money piece highlights worn with a beautiful crown. And then another stunning, elegant updo style. She looks absolutely gorgeous. So you can, of course, accent your updo style with a veil. This is a classic way to wear your hair on your wedding day. She looks absolutely stunning. I love her makeup as well. Such a gorgeous glow to her complexion. Just a glamorous feel overall. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these wedding hairstyles, makeup looks, or gowns, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest fashion and hair trends. So here we have another classic wedding style, and that includes the look of beautiful waves. This hairstyle is of course accented with a jeweled headband piece in the front as well as a wedding veil. And then we see once again the glamorous 20s style waves. Followed by a beautiful updo style. So this account, KYK Hair, does some amazing wedding hairstyles. So if you're looking for some more inspiration, definitely check out their TikTok and Instagram account. I love this updo that features the beautiful curls. This look is of course accented with some curly bangs as well. Such a glamorous and classic wedding style. Next up we have another gorgeous bridesmaid look. She is wearing a stunning high ponytail. And I will be putting together more formal hair options, so if you are looking for even more formal hairstyles for your bridesmaids, be on the lookout for that video. It should be up within a couple of weeks or days. And then here we have another teased out ponytail. This is perfect for adding some height. And this would be once again a great option to wear for your bridesmaids. And if you wanted to wear it as the bride, I would just accent it with a nice hair accessory. Here we have another gorgeous waved style. This would be a beautiful look for your wedding reception. A lot of brides these days are choosing to just kind of switch up their look from the ceremony and do something a little bit different for the reception. Such a beautiful style overall. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you want to see even more hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.